All right, here we go, people. We back to pick her up. If you've been watching my shorts, you've been following me. I had some leaks coming from my push rods and around the base of the cylinders. So we're back to pick her up, take her home, and get back on these streets. See where it looks good. All right, I don't know if you can see it, but it's still glistening in there. Right in there where my finger is, and right over here. Looks like it's coming from the cylinder, base of the cylinder. All right, man, we're finna run it anyways. Let's rock and roll. Well, guys, we got a dilemma, and it seems like it always is a dilemma. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this. I'm sitting out here in the garage, looking at this Adam Sandler movie. It's called Spaceman. It's pretty good, kind of like a reflection of your life type movie. Anyways, goddamn bag stuck to the four roller. Give me a minute. Been gone for a minute, and there's a reason for it. I don't know. This thing is probably gonna do me in, man, but I'm willing to go the mile, man. When you don't have the dollars, you gotta make something happen. So it is what it is. Anywho, we took a video, or better yet, we took a ride to Lake Okeechobee, and since I haven't shown the video, I've been dealing with the same problem for about a good 3 weeks, but it just came to a head. And I took it to the shop to see if I can get everything resolved, and obviously things didn't get resolved. So let me grab my flashlight. I'll show you what I'm dealing with. See what we got. Anywho, I took it in for a problem. I thought right here where my push rods was leaking. You can see right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's leaking right here from the push rod. So I took it in. They claim they fixed it. How they claim they fixed it, I have the slightest idea. And I took it in, and they fixed the gasket here, thinking that was the problem. So since that wasn't the problem, and I got it back, I look right here, and I can see the base of my cylinders leaking as well too. Matter of fact, it's still a little wet right there. Then the next thing I know is that it is leaking from this point right here where you put your case to your transmission, and I see that as well. So I don't know, and I'm thinking about just taking it all apart and seeing what happens from there. But the thing is, they say that it is seeping from where it mounts to the transmission and the crankcase. But I'm thinking the oil that's seeping from the head or the cylinder, it's not seeping from there, because if it was seeping from that same area, wouldn't it be seeping? You should be able to see oil all in down here. But I don't really see that. All I see is just the top end where it is with the cylinders here, and then from my push rods. And then I'm thinking that the oil is sitting right in this area where they both bond together. And that's what I'm getting out of the whole process. So when they say that that's what's wrong with it, to me, that doesn't necessarily seem to be true. So I don't know. I'm stuck between a catch and a 22. And like I said, around here, you can even see it in the front where it's seeping. And then along the top where my head gaskets are, it's seeping as well too. So I don't know. I have no idea what's going on. So that's where we are. Even like right in here, I can see like oil within the fins. I don't see it in the front. Not as much so with my flashlight. But I don't see it seeping around there in the front. It's more so in the rear. It is more so in the rear. And you can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see it right here where it seems like it's seeping from the top of that rocker box. So, I don't know, man. If it ain't one thing, it's the next one. And that's what we're going from. So, we shall see.